If you've ever seen a BMW with an M badge and wondered what makes it different from the rest of the lineup, then you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about BMW M vehicles and why they're some of the most exciting performance cars on the road. The BMW M division was created in 1972 as BMW's motorsports and high-performance department. Originally focused on racing, BMW M has evolved into a lineup of vehicles engineered to deliver incredible power, sharper handling, and a more engaging driving experience. Today, BMW offers a wide range of M models, from sports coupes like the M2 and M4 to performance sedans like the M3 and M5, and even high-performance SUVs like the X5M and the X6M. One of the biggest differences you'll notice in a BMW M vehicle is its performance. M models feature specifically tuned engines that produce significantly more horsepower and torque than their standard counterparts. But M cars aren't just about straight-line speed. BMW M engineers upgrade the suspension, steering, brakes, and chassis to provide more precise handling and greater driver confidence. Whether you're carving through back roads or navigating your daily commute, an M vehicle feels more responsive and connected to the road. M vehicles also include distinctive styling that makes them stand out. Look for larger air intakes, aggressive front and rear bumpers, aerodynamic enhancements, quad exhaust tips, and exclusive wheel designs. These aren't just cosmetic upgrades. They help improve cooling, aerodynamics, and overall performance. Inside, you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with M-specific displays, sports seats, premium materials, and performance-focused controls. Many models feature customizable M settings that allow you to tailor steering, suspension, engine response, and drivetrain characteristics to your preferences. So if you love driving, appreciate precision engineering, and want a vehicle that excites you every time you're behind the wheel, then you should consider a BMW M model. Want to experience BMW M performance yourself? Visit Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, Illinois to schedule a test drive today, or view our inventory by visiting patrickbmw.com.